Hello, dear students. Yesterday uh, we discussed some points regarding nucleus. Uh, this is the cell and this is the nucleus. It is nucleus. Nucleus. I told you yesterday that nucleus consists of nuclear membrane, and there are thread-like structures known as chromosomes, like these. It is a structure known as chromosomes. These chromosomes, these are the thread-like structures, the thread-like structures, the thread-like structures which are heredity units, thread-like structures which are heredity units, which are heredity units pass from parent to offsprings. That means in your body there is only single structure of your mother and father, that is this chromosome. Your body consists of the DNA or this chromosomes. In your body the chromosomes come from your father and mother. These chromosomes are heredity units. They pass on the characters from parents to offsprings to the child. From parents, the characters are passed to the child. These chromosomes are formed of DNA and proteins. Chromosomes are formed of DNA and proteins. Humans have 46 chromosomes in each cell, except sex cells. These sex cells have only 23 chromosomes. These that means actually chromosomes are formed of DNA. That is why the nucleus is boss of the cell, because it contains DNA, and all the functions of a cell are controlled by DNA. So the DNA is very important for the cell. The long form of DNA is deoxyribo nucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. This DNA forms the chromosomes, and this DNA is very important for the functioning of the cell. These the nucleus, on the basis of the presence or absence of the nucleus, some cells they don't have nucleus. On the base of the nucleus, some cells do not have nucleus, but DNA is present. This DNA is present in the cell but without nucleus, and these cells they are known as prokaryotic cells. These prokaryotic cells, example is bacteria. For example, if this is a bacterial cell, it does not have the structure like nucleus like this. They don't have nucleus, but there are DNA material. That means like chromosomes, there are also single chromosomes, single DNA present. And where there is DNA present, that is known as nucleoid. Nucleoid. That means the nucleus of bacteria is known as nucleoid. What is the difference between nucleus and nucleoid? Nucleoid does not have nuclear membrane. No membrane. No nuclear membrane. No nuclear membrane. There is no nuclear membrane present in it, but only the chromosomes, or you can say only DNA is present. But in case of these types of cells, these are known as eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are the cells which have nucleus, and the nucleus is under the membrane, that is known as nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic cells are all types of cells, that means human cells, all plants are these. Amoeba is there, paramecium is there, paramecium. These are not bacteria, these are protozoa. Fungi, these are all eukaryotes. But prokaryotes are only bacteria. These bacteria, they are very simple. They do not have other type of cell organelles. And I will write 1 or 2 points regarding these prokaryotes and eukaryotic, so that you can understand it. In the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. It is cell. Prokaryotic, they do not have nucleus. Here nucleus is present. But instead of nucleus, there is nucleoid. It is nucleoid. Next is cell organelles. Cell organelles are absent. They do not have mitochondria. Cell organelles like mitochondria is there, Golgi complex, etc. They do not, these types of cells, they don't have cell organelles. But eukaryotes, cell organelles are present. Cell organelles are present. They are present. Cell organelles are present. Next is examples are all bacteria. They are prokaryotes. And all animals, all plants, they are all eukaryotes. It was the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Thank you. Have a nice day.